Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome back to our English practice podcast.
Yes, here we practice English with very simple sentences, easy vocabulary, and fun natural conversation.
No difficult grammar, no heavy words.
Just friendly English practice you can understand easily. And today's topic is healthy, but scary for some people. Talk about your workout routine.
Talk about your workout routine. Let's begin.
So, Alex, do you have a workout routine?
Yes, I have a routine, but I don't follow it.
Alex, routine means following it.
I know, but my bed stops me. My bed says, stay, don't go.
Okay. Tell me your real workout.
My workout routine is simple 10 push ups, 20 squats, 30 seconds plank, and then 10 minutes of death.
Alex, that is not death, that is rest.
No, after squats, I see the universe.
My routine is also simple. I do light stretching, 15 minutes cardio, a little yoga, and some music for motivation.
Wow, yoga looks peaceful, but it is painful.
Yes, yoga looks easy until your leg says no.
I hate warm ups. I just want to start workout and finish workout.
No. Warm up is important. If you don't warm up, your body says, "Why are you doing this to me?"
True, one time I didn't warm up and my leg became a statue for 5 minutes.
When do you prefer to work out?
Morning, because if I wait till evening, my motivation dies.
Same. In the morning, I feel fresh. In the evening, I feel sleepy.
Yes, morning, let's do it. Evening, let's not do it.
Do you have any funny workout story?
Yes, one day I tried a new workout, and after 2 minutes, I said, nope, and went to eat snacks.
Alex, your workout motivation is 2 minutes long.
I know, I am a work in progress.
My funny moment was during yoga. The trainer said, "Relax your mind." And I thought about pizza.
Mia! Pizza always wins.
My workout goal is to be flexible and fit.
My workout goal is to not cry during push ups.
Alex, please.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I try to work out every day.
My routine is simple.
I do stretching and light exercise.
Sometimes I feel lazy.
But I still try my best.
I want to stay healthy and strong.
Great job!
Workout keeps your body active. It gives energy, strength, and confidence.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day is good.
And don't compare with others. Your body equals your pace.
Exactly. Work out for yourself, not for social media. Alex, be honest. How many times a week do you really work out?
Let me calculate. Monday, no. Tuesday, no. Wednesday, almost. Thursday, yes. Friday, tired. Saturday, no. Sunday, sleeping. So, one day.
One day? Alex, please.
I'm trying, okay? Laziness is my strongest muscle.
What motivates you to work out?
When I remember last week's photos.
Alex, photos are your fitness motivation?
Yes, camera always tells the truth.
My motivation is music. Good music equals good workout.
Yes, if the song is good, I can run like a superhero.
Same. Do you make any workout mistakes?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I start too fast and finish too fast.
So you start like a champion and end like a grandpa.
Exactly. I do 15 push ups, then lie on the floor like, call the ambulance.
I do yoga wrong sometimes. Instead of relax, I start thinking about snacks.
Food thoughts are stronger than yoga.
What do you enjoy most in your workout?
The ending.
Alex!
Okay. I enjoy stretching. It feels relaxing.
Same. I like meditation after workout. It feels peaceful.
Do you prefer outdoor workout or home workout?
Home workout. I feel shy outside.
I'm the opposite. At home, I get distracted. Fridge is too close.
Alex and food equals unbreakable bond.
Okay, listeners, repeat with us.
I try to follow my workout routine,
Sometimes I feel lazy.
but I still try my best.
I do simple exercises.
I want to stay healthy and active.
My body is getting stronger.
Great job! To stay consistent, do small workouts, even 5 minutes.
Yes, small effort every day is better than big effort once a week.
And don't compare your workout with others. Everyone has a different body.
True. Just move your body a little every day.
Remember, your body is your home. Take care of it.
One small workout today can make you stronger tomorrow.
And don't give up. Slow progress is still progress.
Okay, Mia, that was a fun and healthy final part.
Yes, talking about workout is easy. Doing workout is the challenge.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Stay healthy, stay active, stay strong.
Bye.